Did you know that DoorDash drivers that joins the large order program can boost their earnings by up to 50%? Found out how we got a $57 tip just for one order from Cracker Barrel. If you want to unlock the biggest offers and receive tips like you never thought possible, stick around. I'm here to guide you through the steps to join this exclusive program and start maximizing your earnings today. So hit that like button to let the YouTube algorithm know you liked the video, and let's get started. The large order program is also known as the catering program. It's the same thing. The orders can't be done in advance. And what qualifies as a catering program is any order whose subtotal is $100 or more. And this is good because DoorDash gives the suggested tip as a percentage of the subtotal of the actual order. Right here on the screen, you'll see it's an order of $163, $40 in taxes. It recommends that 15% the tip be $31.09. People are automatically going to tip more usually if you bring them 20 subs. And don't get me wrong, the large order program is great. When you get one, it can be, once you have your catering bag, you can easily place a lot of food in that sucker. But then sometimes you also get like 12 combo meals and each of them have their own fountain drink. So for the inconvenience, so usually tip more. But that's why they're more lucrative. The suggested tip is higher. They're ordering a lot of food. That's how my girlfriend got a $57 tip. This company ordered $300 worth of food from Cracker Barrel. And the suggested tip is way up there because of the subtotal, the amount of food they order, which is good. So large orders, anytime you get one, is a good thing. It's going to be more money. If you want to sign up for the DoorDash large order program, there are two basic requirements. The website will tell you that first, you have to have 200 plus lifetime deliveries, 100 deliveries in the past month, a 4.7 average star rating in the past month, and a 95% completion rate in the past month. But one thing that they're neglecting to put in here is you also have to be platinum status, which means your acceptance rate has to be a certain level. Depending upon your area, it could be 70%, it could be 80%. But check your app to see what the requirement is for the platinum level status. I also have a video right here that will explain everything you want to know in detail about the tier program. There are three ways to get into the large order program. First, they send you an email, an invitation when you meet the minimum criteria. Second, you can contact support and pester the shit out of them. Third, you can simply go into your app, go to the ratings tab, and in there you'll see an option for the large order program. Now I'm in it, so it doesn't say sign up now. But what you want to do is go into here and tell it that you're ready to join the large order program and follow the instructions inside. It takes about 4 days. And I remember my last order, it's so convenient getting these things throughout your day. I remember because this one order that took me, 7 miles was $31. All I do is make 3 trips. It's a really good program. When you get a large order, it'll look like this. It'll say catering bag, and it's pretty obvious it's a large order. Now, since the money amount is higher, typically DoorDash does something that doesn't have anything to do with the large order program. They'll say this amount plus. So when my girlfriend got a $57 tip, it didn't show up as a $57 offer. It showed up as, I think, $37 plus something. But that's what it looks like when you get it. And to be honest with you, you would still get large orders without being in the large order program. Because, well, if no one's available that is in the large order program, are they just going to tell the customer we don't want your money? No. So you could get one, but you're more likely to lose that offer to someone that is in the large order program So it's just another criteria of control. I've got a video here about the secret criteria that they use for the schedule, and that's what it's all about, the acceptance rate, controlling the schedule. Check the video out if you want to understand, but I'm getting off topic. Large orders are great. It's a pain in the ass when you have a bunch of drinks, a bunch of fountain drinks you have to carry, because they're really inconvenient to carry, but they're great. They don't happen a lot in my area. I might get one a week. So this isn't an instant game changer where all of a sudden, you're doubling your salary or something like that. But the more frequent it comes in, and it does, the better. Now this is a DoorDash catering bag. And yes, that is one that I bought from DoorDash. You don't have to have a DoorDash catering bag. It can be an off-brand. And up until recently, I believe you had to have a picture of a bag that you couldn't get off the internet. Heaven forbid someone, take a picture for you and put it on their YouTube video so you can send that in instead in case they ask you for a bag. They're $40, but not worth it. I mean, you'll make it back when you get a few catering orders, but I hardly ever use it because I don't get catering orders a lot. But I gotta admit, when I do, it is extremely convenient to be able to put everything in one bag. Or the orders are so big, I'd have to make multiple trips. So that is a good thing. But the website currently says that you have to have a DoorDash bag, a catering bag to do this. But I believe that's no longer the case. Do you have a catering bag already? Do you have a regular bag? You have a pizza bag, I assume. These things, like a pizza bag, you can get free at some pizza places. They sent me a little DoorDash handbag when I first signed up. You could say it's good for keeping the food warm and all that, and yeah, it does, but I highly recommend the bags because they make transportation a lot more convenient. I could put cup holders in my bag and carry drinks and the meal inside one bag, just like they get the McDonald's bags with the drinks and everything all is in them. It makes everything convenient if it's in one bag. Well, that's about everything I have on the DoorDash large order program. Tell me what you thought in the comments about this video. If you have any questions, please always respond to comments. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I'd love you to oh, fuck it. Thanks for watching. Check out another video if you're interested. Until next time, I'm Crash Power. Thanks again.